A new article by the DailyMail has come out. The title is called Exclusive. Ex-UFO chiefs claim their Pentagon bosses misled Congress by claiming a swarm of mysterious objects that buzzed around the Navy ships in 2019 were mere drones, not a national security threat. The alliance is working behind the scenes to turn the Congress against the Pentagon, which is corrupt. The Omegan parasites have infiltrated the military heavily, as stated in Project Terra Status Report on the excellent TerraKor Files site. As usual, in my humble opinion, this is an excellent tactical move by the Alliance because it puts the Pentagon in a losing situation. In my view, the Psalms of the Bible is a handbook in general warfare tactics. The manipulate, trap, control cycle I speak about I got from reading the Psalms. In this particular situation, we can see the Alliance putting the Pentagon into the MTC cycle. The Congress represents the people. The Pentagon represents government corruption. Manipulate. The more the Pentagon lies, the more they are corrupt. Trap. The Alliance can use the discredited Pentagon to make the Congress look better and therefore give more power to the people and democracy. Control. An undercover Confederation good friend told me that prayer does not need to be formal. You can make your own prayers. It's the intent and connection to God that is important. Remote prayer has been shown to have a real effect. Please see a randomized controlled trial of the effects of remote intercessory prayer on outcomes in patients admitted to the coronary care unit. W.S. Harris et al. From the Archive of Internal Medicine, 1999, I believe. Here is a short prayer to support the Alliance and Confederation and their mission here on Earth. Dear God, may the Alliance be successful in making the UFO movement credible on a global scale so the Alliance and Confederation can come openly to Earth and establish your kingdom of heaven on earth as stated in your Our Father prayer, which also inspired Brother Gabriel Green to make the title of his publication, Thy Kingdom Come. Amen. Thank you and have a good day. God bless.